Wait.
Spirited driving.
Okay.
Rage.
Hello.
I am lagging.
I see cars flying everywhere. I don't really know where everyone is. I'm behind the R34 right now.
The yellow one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me.
And now it's gone.
Yep, now you're in front of me. What the fuck is that?
Who was behind of me?
I mean, I am currently at 5 FPS.
Well, my FPS is good, but all cars are just flying.
My little 1060 does not like this.
I think the serve is over blasted or something.
Yeah, it is.
But I'm fucking teleporting into cars and then I'm flying like off the mountain. I don't know what the fuck is happening.
I think we
The M5 in front of me is like drifting and then like teleporting away.
I think we have to keep a little bit of the distance. More than 2 cars.
Shit.
Well, today we found out that
Wait, what the fuck?
many people on a GT63 just teleported in front of me.
There we go. Got some FPS back.
What the f? Yeah, I was driving and suddenly the M5 was in me.
That sounds pretty sus.
Yeah.
It's going.
That's pretty sus.
Oh, what the fuck? Now I have a M3 in me. Let's go.
And a GT3 crashed into me.
Yeah, well, I don't know what the fuck is happening.
I don't know, this M4.
Oh, bloody hell, a car just went through me.
Oh my god.
What should
Some
we do
movement
best?
actually.
Whoa!
Is it the same?
What the fuck is happening?
Yeah. This is gonna be fun.
Oh yeah, I'm at a permanent CPU occupancy of 99%, so I can see if I do this.
I'm only at CPU 34, but I don't know what's going on with it.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh, what? Now
It says the same for me, and I have like a 10 core. Like,
mind you, that I'm only an i7 like, it's not a lot.
yeah. Anyone playing in VR?
I am trying to.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, I'm looking for like a headset, but I don't know which one to get.
I'm just using the Quest 2 at the moment. I
Yeah,
love it.
the
Yeah.
Quest 2 is the Quest 2 is so good.
Yeah, I was thinking of a Quest 2 too.
Is the Oculus Rift S better?
No, I don't think so. I think the Quest 2 is better.
I think the Quest 2 is better.
Yeah.
Why?
The Quest 2 is definitely better.
It's newer and it's like, I don't know.
I like the fact it works on its own, so if I just want to show people, like
Yeah.
friends and family, and stuff, I can just take the headset.
Yeah, but it's annoying you have to like connect it to like a Facebook account like every single time. Like whenever you use it.
Mine's just logged into its own Facebook account.
Oh, okay, so you made one like separate for the...
Yeah, I made one for the headset.
Oh, yeah. I guess that makes sense.
But yeah, if you're gonna buy a VR headset, it was to hardly. Yeah.
Yeah, since I got mine, like 4 of my mates have now got them. They all love it.
Yeah. Does anyone know how to fix the stiff brake pedal on G920?
I just adjusted its range.
I've done that too, but I mean, there should be like a better way, no?
I think you need to like buy an aftermarket like stock or something. You know on the T300 RS, you have like a stopping thing that you get with the wheel that you can put on the brake.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, I recently bought my T300 Thrustmaster from the G29 to the Thrustmaster.
Yeah. I just got the wheel. I got it from friends. So I'm pretty new to like using a wheel. Yeah. It's nice. It's like it's a game changer. Like if you compare it to like controller. Especially the force feedback. It's pretty insane.
Alright, how's your game, guys?
Is that Mercy using my sound? I find it like it sucks. Yo, yeah. It's better now, the server. Like it doesn't lag as much.
Yeah, I think it's
Fuck.
this cloud. They're behind.
Okay.
Holy shit, that GT3.
Line up.
Sorry.
It's just music.
Wait, what is going on?
Logging up, taking pictures.
No, okay.
Ah shit. Wings.
Wait.